Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I wanted us to take a look back on this past year, 2018, that it is almost about to leave us, okay? So I wanted to go over some of my thoughts and point out some facts about some views and some videos and all that good stuff. Let's just take a step back, shall we? So my first video was with the New Wave Air Fryer Full Thoughts and Review. And that was when I was cooking some chicken. I had chicken drumsticks, chicken thighs, and I had it all crowded inside the air fryer. And I had just too much chicken in there. And so I had to end up taking some out to get the whole thing completed. But I got it done. And that was my first time using the air fryer. So I want to say thank you, YouTube family, for hanging in there with me. I did make it through the video, but I just look back on it and say, wow, what experience that I have now with the air fryer versus a year ago, okay? And it did get up to 71,000 views. So thank you for watching it. And then I made an omelet in the New Wave air fryer. It's called breakfast omelet. And you know, I haven't made another one since. And I think that I'm gonna definitely bring that to the table in 2019. You got some omelets coming, so I'm gonna kick it up a notch and see how I can make the omelets interesting, okay? And that got up to 47,000 views. Great job, YouTube, great job. And I'm glad that you liked it, and that lets me know I need to make some more egg products, okay? Let's see, Power Air Fryer Oven. I got that 7 months ago, okay? And between the air fryer and the air fryer oven, I like the air fryer oven better. And the reason why I like it better is because it's like a little oven, like a little tiny oven, but yet I have 3 shelves that I can layer up items on and cook it all at the same time. I mean, come on, where are you gonna be able to do that at, right? So I really enjoy it. I think it's easier than the air fryer, because the air fryer is like in a little basket and you gotta constantly dig down in this basket to cook the food. Don't get me wrong, I like it, but if I have a choice for comfortability, I would prefer the air fryer oven, okay? So that's just my preference. And for that, the air fryer oven, we have 17,000 views. That's pretty good, right? And everybody's favorite is chicken wings. You know, no matter which way you cut the cake, people love chicken wings. They'll say, oh, the skin on the chicken is too fattening and this and that. But the bottom line is, we all love chicken wings, okay? And that was a good video. That was 9,000 views, all right? And then, what else we have? You love the Pranko breaded pork chops and the Pranko breaded fish. You like Pranko. I can see that, okay? So I enjoyed working with the Pranko. You know, with Pranko breadcrumbs, you gotta put a batter on there, like, so you gotta do an egg wash, and then you dip the meat into the egg wash and then into the Pranko in order to make that as crispy as possible, okay? I enjoy doing that, all right? Okay, oh, let's don't forget Trump Section 8 and food stamp cuts. Oh my goodness. Now that was a video that everybody went off on me, and I enjoyed the excitement, let me tell you. So that video was about women who allowed guys to live with them while they were on Section 8 and receiving food stamps. And the guys was taking advantage of the women because, you know, everybody basically was not paying their full share to the government, right? So the guys weighed in on that. They talked about their deadbeat baby's mama, and then some of them talked about why women allow guys to stay with them. And then I also talked about child support in that video. Now that was the one that took everybody over the edge. And I don't want to tell it all to you. I want you to go check that video out. That video is worth you looking at because that same subject is coming up today about the Section 8 cuts, the housing cuts, and the food stamp cuts. So you go on over and check that video out and let me know if you know anybody that is beating the system, okay? All right. So let's see what else we got. Oh, you love the pepper steak and the sirloin steak. You like any kind of steak, okay? I got that message, okay? And, oh, remember when I made the chocolate cake and I used half of the box of cake mix? Now that one I even loved, okay? So I paid like $1 for this box of cake mix and I used half of it. So literally I made a cake for 50 cents. Okay, so we're gonna add in the eggs, the oil, etc. So less than $2 I made a complete cake. Okay, and just so what I enjoyed is in 2018 is bringing to the table to you different ideas and ways to save money, cut down on your budget. Okay, because let's just think about the cake for a minute. Now we usually make a whole cake, but we don't usually eat a whole cake in one day. So why not just cut that whole box in half and cook only half to save money? Because the less times that you go to the grocery store, the more you can save money in your pocket, okay? And so I like bringing you, like one of the things that I started doing, I think maybe, I don't know, 8 months ago or so, is I started breaking down the cost of a meal. And the reason why I did that is to show you how you can stretch your money, because I'm all about you keeping your money, because if I can help you save your money, you can survive, right? The other thing that I started doing was giving the word of the day. Now the word of the day is any thoughts that come to my mind that I want to talk to you about, or any help that I think could help you, or you may be depressed and I might say something that day that can get you out of that and make you smile. Or the word of the day could be, you know, as small as you're taking care of your family, take care of yourself, and money tips and things like that. I wanted to incorporate that because I think it's more to me than just cooking. You know, we all have a voice, and I want my voice to be heard to help somebody, okay? Okay, so let's see what else we got here. I have some comments also I want to get to because I think that's important. Oh, and the video that I thought would do better, but it didn't do as good, was the jealous baby mama drama. Okay, I like that, but it wasn't such a big hit. And for Christmas, I would like for you to go on over and see Christmas Cutthroat Kitchen. Okay, I made a video on I did a cutthroat kitchen show, and it was very funny, and it was for Christmas. So you go on over and check that out. You'll like that. Okay. Okay. I think I want to go now to the comments. Let me get that. Okay, here's some. Everybody seemed to like the coleslaw video. I was surprised. I didn't think coleslaw was that popular, but I guess it is. Okay, so you go on over and check out how to make homemade coleslaw. Okay, one person said when they go to the restaurant, they get a tiny little container of coleslaw, and it's just not enough. And I agree with them. You know, why is that? It's only a cabbage and a carrot. Really? You know, we can't get a decent portion of vegetable when we go to the restaurant, right? Okay, and then I got another comment from someone that said they were a widower a few months ago or so, and they didn't know how to cook nothing. And from watching my videos, now they can cook, okay, and they appreciate that. You know, stuff like that is just great. That's what I live for. That's what I like, that I can help somebody in such a small way that would really, really go a long way in their life. Because he was eating, you know, like frozen dinners. Come on now, right? And he's graduated from frozen dinners to home cooked meals. Now that's great, right? Okay, and oh, remember on one of my videos I was teaching my granddaughter how to drive? I want you to know she now has her license and her own car. She can drive now. Okay, let's give her a hand. Okay. Okay, let's see. What else I wanted to talk about? And the last thing I want to talk about is I appreciate all your warm, heartfelt comments, and thank you, grandmas, to me, and how you look forward to the videos and how I'm sharing in your life. And I want you to know that you're sharing in my life, and I really, really appreciate you. And I look forward to serving you in the next year. Yay! Thank you, YouTube family. Thank you. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Okay, cut that.